I'm Ishita and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I usually make videos about fashion, styling and lifestyle, but in today's video, I'm going to show you how I make those videos. In fact, I am shooting for a video today, so I thought it would be the best time to give you an actual sneak peek of it and vlog it for you guys. Apart from that, I'm also going to share with you how I plan, ideate, conceptualize, then shoot and then edit and finally put out that video for you guys on my channel. Now, I have produced over 67 videos if I'm not wrong on my channel. So I do have some experience and some tips that I'd love to share with all of you who are planning to start a YouTube channel. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Now without wasting any more time, let's get started. So step one for me is usually ideating and planning what the video is going to be about. So there are three ways that I go about it. Number one is I research on the trending topics on YouTube. So for example, if I notice that Sarojini Nagar hauls are doing really well and a lot of people are liking to watch it, I will go ahead and make a video on that. In fact, my first YouTube video was a Sarojini Nagar challenge video. And number two, the second way that I go about it is that I make a video on something that's seasonal or topical. So for example, if a Myntra sale is going on, I would create a video related to the sale. I would probably do a haul video so that I know that people are going to go shop right now, so they will want to look for haul videos. That's number two. And number three is I don't care if people are going to watch the video. It's just something that I like to create for my creative satisfaction. So the third way of creating could be anything that I want to make a video on, like this one. I don't know if a lot of people are going to watch it, but it's something that I want to make, so I'm going ahead and making it. Now there are a couple of apps that I use to sort of put together my thoughts, and the first app that is called Penultimate. It's my app on the iPad. I'm going to show you guys a close-up of it. It's basically like a digital journal or a digital diary where I put all my thoughts together. So it's like a diary but a digital version of it. Any thoughts or anything that comes in my head, if I'm just sitting or lying down, I just pull this out and write it down. So for example, the video that I'm shooting today, it's the essential footwear haul. So you know, when I was thinking of this video, I just took it out and listed down all the must-have footwear that I think are essential. Now once I know what the video is going to be about, I have my initial pointers. A day or two before the shoot, I write a script. Now script is something which is very personal. If you don't like scripting, it's up to you. Like I think my first 50% of the videos on my channel have been without a script. I would just write down pointers, sit in front of the video and start talking. But recently I have realized that when I have a script with me, I know what I have to say. Like I have already written down what I want to say in the video, so I waste less time retaking the same shots again and again. There's lesser time wasted, I feel like, and I've definitely cut down on my shooting time with the help of keeping a script. So I use Notion to write my scripts. Notion is a great app. You can divide it into several columns. So I have my idea column, then in progress, in review, in edit, and then finally published. So for example, today I'm shooting the essential footwear haul video. So I have my script ready, which I wrote last night. It's very easy and I have my iPad handy. So I don't need to take my laptop while I'm shooting. I can just take my iPad handy and refer to it while shooting. So now that I've told you guys what I do before I start shooting, I'm going to take you guys outside for the shoot. Like I said, I'm shooting the essential footwear haul video. You might have already watched the video before this video comes out. I don't know, we'll figure that out. But this will give you behind the scenes, and I will also show you what cameras and equipment and audio and other stuff that I use. So we are outside in my garden and I'm shooting here. I'm just going to show you guys. So this is where I'm shooting today. So we are setting up the frame. Most of the time actually goes in setting up the frame, making sure कि कैसा background है, if it's looking nice and all that. And Deepak ji, मेरे videographer है. He is really nice and he helps me with all my videos. So I'll just show you the equipment that I'm using today. This is 6D Mark II and that is 5D Mark IV. Lens इसमें कौन सी है? इसमें 1.4, इसमें 24-105 mm. ओके, फॉर ऑडियो हम बोया माइक यूज़ करते हैं. दिस इज़ द बोया माइक दैट आई यूज़. दिस इज़ द लेपल माइक which you can attach to your collar, and it works really well for me. So this extensive setup happens when I'm shooting mostly haul videos or fashion lookbooks and stuff like that. But if I'm vlogging like right now, this I'm using the Canon 200D with the kit lens, which is 1855, and I'm using a Boya, again the Boya shotgun mic. I'm gonna put the camera somewhere on the side and let you guys have a sneak peek. So I started shooting at about 2:30 and right now it's like 4:30ish, 4:20 p.m. and I get really hungry. So whenever I'm shooting, a tip from me, make sure you are like well eaten, where you have a proper meal before you start shooting, because you never know how long the shoots can tend to stretch till. I only usually have breakfast and I start shooting around like 11, 12, usually that time. So I end up not eating lunch before I start shooting. So I always keep some energy bars or something to eat in handy. This one that I'm eating is from the Whole Truth Foods and I absolutely love them. This is the mocha almond fudge and they also have the cocoa cranberry fudge, which is my favorite. But they have like several other flavors as well. This gives you like 100, wait, let me check. It has about like 195.5 kilocalories of energy. It's got 5 grams of protein and 22 grams of carb. But it has no sugar, no dairy, no gluten. So if you're in that vegan and gluten free category, this is a great thing to have. And I literally eat this. I always have these handy whenever I'm shooting. And they keep you sorted for like 1 to 2 hours. So whenever I'm shooting for long hours or even editing, because sometimes I sit on and edit and it goes on for like 4 or 5 hours and I don't get up to eat, these are always like in my bedside drawer or like on my desk. So I just grab them and eat. If you guys want to try these out, you can also use my coupon code. It's Ishita15. I'm going to link it in the description box as well. They have some brilliant flavors and I absolutely love their energy bars. They also have the protein bars. The ingredients include dates, cashews, cocoa, almonds and coffee, and that is it, nothing else. I mean, what you see is what you get and that's the taste you get, and I absolutely love it. The price point, I think this comes to like, it comes to 60 rupees. You can also build your own box of different flavors, mix it up and build a box for yourself. So gonna link all the details in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Yeah. So now that you guys have seen how I plan, ideate and shoot, I am finally going to start editing. This is what my editing desk looks like. I usually edit over here. I have my hard disk handy, which has all the files. I have my water, my energy bar if I get hungry, and of course then I start dragging all the files to the timeline. This is the timeline, and then I edit. So I edit on Final Cut Pro. You can purchase it online. It's only an Apple software, so it's available only on Mac devices. But apart from that, there's also Adobe Premiere Pro for Windows. These are softwares that you have to buy, but you didn't hear it from me. You can also get these from the internet somehow. So you can give that a try, but you didn't hear that from me. So I get my music from this YouTube channel called Audio Library. Gonna link that down below for you guys. You can basically pick any track from them. You have to give them credits. Apart from that, I also use a website called Thematic, Hello Thematic. So again, gonna link it down below for you. It's all free and the music from there is copyright free, so you will not have any issues with your YouTube video while uploading in that manner. But yeah, so I use Final Cut Pro for all my editing videos, especially YouTube videos. So basically I transfer all the files to my system first, or to the hard disk that I have, and then sort of drag them all onto my timeline and then start editing. Again, if I go into detail of how I edit, it'll become too long. So if you want a video on that, comment down below and I will make a separate video on just editing. Also guys, another really cool and interesting thing about the Whole Truth Foods, the energy bars that I'm having, the brand actually sends you this envelope along with your order. So all you have to do is send all your empty wrappers back, which basically helps recycle plastic the right way, and I think that's a great initiative. Very few brands I think take that initiative, and definitely this is the first brand that I've come across who's doing this. So I mean, that is something that just really intrigued me and I thought I'd share this with you guys. Maybe if you give it a try, do let me know how you like it in the comments down below. So you can actually play around with the text. You have different kind of fonts here, and they also have some text templates over here, so you can pick and choose. It's pretty simple, trust me. And all my thumbnails I work on Canva, so these are all my previous thumbnails that I worked on. Pretty simple, I'd say. So yeah, I think that's about it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe button. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.